In this video, you will see how to box text in Word Online. As you can see, I have added a box around the text and have increased the thickness of the border. It's very easy. First, what you need to do is click next to the text and press enter multiple times so you can type later after the text. After doing this, select the text using a mouse or a keyboard, and then you will see here the option of borders. This borders option can be used to box text in Word Online. Click on the drop down and select the option outside border. After clicking on it, a border will appear. You can edit this box border by clicking on the weight. So if you want to increase or decrease the thickness of this box, you can select, for example, 6 points. And if you want to change the style of the border to dash or a dotted or double, you can also select that. You can also change the color of the line. And if you want to increase the distance between the border and the text, then simply go to the padding option and then you can adjust the distance of the border and the text. If you want to learn Word Online quickly, then check out these short tutorials. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.